to go.
So let's bring that waitress up to the bar. Come on, here she is. Come on, yeah. Myra, the waitress. Yeah, from.
I'm a barista.
She's
A barista.
I'm a barista.
All right.
She's
the
a barista.
whatever that is. Myra, the
you guys
barista.
Barista.
Better than expected.
Yes.
So Myra, partay behind you over here. Nice, fine gentleman right here.
He likes burning the candle at both ends.
Ow.
He's slacking. Some of his studies are going. I don't know what he's studying, but he needs some help.
How about an espresso shot? Bang,
Hey.
bang.
I'm all for that double one.
Double espresso.
Double
exactly.
espresso
Oh,
shot.
yes.
Next
Yeah.
time you come by, on the house. I'm gonna
Yeah.
write
Oh,
it down.
See,
Take
I like
order.
I like the
Take
way
an
this young
order.
lady thinks.
Now, is there anything besides espresso that you could probably use for help him out? Like leg squats?
Is there like
or-
Greek coffee
I do
or
lots of
something?
squats. I mean, I'm a chubby girl, but I do my squats because, some stuff you just got to keep in order.
Right.
Especially, if, from different angles, different
Exactly.
curves. You just got to keep those tight and right. So squats, I do about 250 squats a day.
But partay can't always do
Yeah.
squats.
Why?
Because to be honest with you, I'm out of shape.
Well, me too, but that's what I'm saying. Like,
And when he's in his
squats-
limo, he can't do squats.
No, definitely not.
Ooh, fancy
Can't
guy over
squat in
here.
a limo.
Come on, you guys.
So obviously coffee is what you got to do.
Yeah, I was gonna say, why don't you guys have any coffee in here? What's wrong with you guys?
We're not allowed to have food in the studio.
would've brought
for
some.
drinks.
I would have brought some.
I don't want to sound cheap, but I was hoping that maybe if I brought a coffee person to the show, maybe she would bring some coffee for us. And I don't
You
want
didn't say nothing.
I know, but I don't want
You didn't say
I don't
nothing.
want to ask
time.
or assume that maybe you would bring something.
Next time, when
Well,
there-
I
when
wasn't
there's a next
paid
time,
to bring any
Well, that's the-
coffee or.
That's the thing.
Because I woulda.
I thought maybe you would bring it. I thought maybe you took the initiative and bring it, but I'm sorry.
So it's all my fault.
Rich?
If you want to talk
I'm
to
not
my
saying anything.
If you want to talk to my manager, Larry, that's
No,
not you.
I'm just saying-
wouldn't, but I'm just saying, if you want to talk to my manager,
I'm just saying if I'm bringing a guest on the
you
show
got a
for
manager?
coffee.
I could have Vito call you
What?
if you want.
No.
Okay, I'm
No.
saying. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
Hold the phone.
That's
Yeah,
all.
hold the phone.
Vito's
That's
her
the last thing.
manager.
Put the
That's-
mic
I don't
on.
want-
her
I don't
manager,
want no
Larry.
phone call from Vito.
Vito's her
saying.
manager,
Listen,
Larry.
you never want a phone call from Vito.
Vito's the boss.
Or accept a package in the mail from a guy named Vito.
Vito's the boss.
You never want that.
Yeah.
Why
No.
not? Why can't you accept a package from a guy named
It might
Vito?
be a dead fish.
I knew something fishy was going on.
It's not me. Don't blame
Huh?
that fish smell on me.
Huh?
Don't blame that fish smell on me.
No, not me.
It's not
Partay?
on me.
It's not me.
So tell us about
Where's
the
that
coffee
fish
shop.
smell
How you
coming
been in
from,
there?
Partee?
It's good. I mean, we've been having a lot of good people come in, like yourself.
I've been coming in there a lot lately.
I mean, you come back for a reason. Not
Huh?
just because of the view, but I mean, you come back for a reason. Coffee's
For the
good.
sex-
the
baristas.
coffee's good. Now, a barista's not a bad thing.
It's
That's
not.
right.
It's
No.
not. And I like to be called a waitress.
What do you like to be called?
A
A barista.
And now, where does that come from? How come I don't
I
know
don't
what that?
know, maybe like Italy or something?
Well, we're not in Italy or something.
I don't
We're
know
in-
about geography and
We're in
terminology.
Chicagoland.
Chicago.
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 You're in Chicago.
That's what I said, wasn't it?
Yeah.
No.
What did I say?
You kind of look like you're from that area. The way
From
you're dressed
Chicago?
today?
Like, yeah.
Ah.
My gangster shit.
Gangsta.
I got it going on.
You look like a different kind of Charlie Sheen.
Huh?
You look like Charlie Sheen's cousin who got all his clothes from
Like
his,
an
from his bad
overweight
days.
Charlie Sheen.
I want to be the Charlie Sheen who's having a sex all the time.
Uh-oh.
Sex change
Uh-oh.
operation. All
Yeah.
that?
Sex chains. That's the one that spends all the money at the whorehouse, or what's it called?
Horse
The
house.
brothel?
Strip club.
Oh yeah, that's what it's called.
Brothel.
Brostel?
Yeah.
I don't know what's up with you using the wrong terminology for stuff. It's
He's
like,
always
well,
trying. He's always
stuff's
trying.
got its names.
Yeah.
I use a generic, vague sense of
That's right.
brothel and barista.
Did you just do this?
Yeah. He just did air quotes. Believe it?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to
Believe it?
Vito.
No, don't do it.
Talk to
me
have
one
Vito
second.
give him a
Give me one
call.
Oh come on.
Because
Who would think air quotes would get you in there?
Air quotes are going to
Larry.
get you a visit from Vito.
You do air quotes, Rich.
I'm not doing air
I'm
quotes.
doing, Rich. I'm telling
Partay?
you for your own good.
Partay, show everyone what the air quotes are.
You're on the
Artie's
list,
not afraid of Vito, is he?
No,
No. Yeah, I didn't think he would be.
buddy.
There it is. Put Partay on
Buddy.
there. Partay did air quotes. Put them on there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what's the
You got an
weirdest?
exception. You got an exception. You're good.
oh, yeah.
Besides me coming
he's
in,
an exceptional air quoter.
besides me coming in regularly, what's some of the weirdest things you've seen in the coffee shop?
You know, I can't talk about some of that stuff.
Like what? Some of it, you can keep some of it clean, right? We can find the terminology to keep it clean, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right? What?
I mean, there's a lot of heat on the place right now, so
Yeah?
you gotta be careful with what I say.
They're kind of
What's-
watching you
what
guys.
can we say that's clean?
Like the federales are
I
watching
think
you
we're being
guys?
watched.
There you go with those special words again.
The
What are you
federales?
wearing, a wire?
No.
What are you wearing, a wire?
No, I'm not. I'm not wearing a wire, no.
Is he wearing a wire? I don't want no part of this.
Somebody here's wearing a wire. I could hear it with my ear.
You could add this in After Effects.
No.
No?
No, I don't mess around with that kind of
You
stuff.
don't mess around with it like...
Yeah. Okay, tell anything else.
That
to
would
talk
be
about
kinda
the coffee
cool, you know?
shop?
Yeah, I did
Now,
that.
now Party came in at a coffee shop, and we talked about getting him maybe doing some squats.
Yeah,
What
we
else-
should do squats together one day.
Squats rush.
That's what I'm saying. You
At the
should
coffee
get
shop,
some
we
of
should
that
have
stuff
coffee.
done.
Then
And then
bust
do
down with the
squats.
squats.
Yeah, like an aerobic coffee shop. Having
Oh my
aerobic
God.
classes in a coffee shop.
And we could have a segment here where we do squats right after we do our double shot of espresso.
Oh yeah. Sounds like a plan.
Yeah, we could put music and just
Yeah.
I think that could be workable, something like that.
We could work something
we'll talk.
like that
It'll be
out.
in the works.
Yes.
I talked to Vito about this.
Yeah, but
Okay.
don't. I mean, make sure don't mention my name. I don't want to be.
You can mention my name. Vito knows me.
He told me about you.
I know,
he
but
told
I'm
me
saying
about you.
any
He
packages,
warned you about me, didn't he?
He warned me about all three of you guys.
any packages. Make sure they goes to Rich's house.
Yeah.
Rich likes fish.
Signed, sealed, and delivered.
He's yours.
Packages aren't always bad.
Huh?
Packages are not always
bad.
If it's a
bad.
dead fish, it is. It's not because of a fish fry coming up. That's for certain.
What do you
Real
think?
quick, I got one more question to ask you.
What is it? Questions are free, answers will cost money.
No, listen. If I got, okay, I went in there and you messed up my order. I wanted a double shot in one cup. And I ordered a one shot in the other cup. Now I can guarantee it, you mixed it up. The cup that was to go was supposed to be double shot. The cup that was to stay was regular shot.
We don't make mistakes at the coffee shop.
But
Maybe you just ordered it wrong.
no, I specifically said one.
Larry.
No, you said it wrong.
Larry, maybe you just ordered it
You
wrong.
said it wrong.
Do you
That's the
understand me,
whole thing.
Larry?
I specifically.
That's the whole thing.
Larry.
They don't make mistakes at the coffee shop. Ask Vito.
I think you ordered it wrong. Do you, agree with
ordered
me?
it
They're,
wrong.
they're mistake proof.
I think you ordered it wrong, Larry.
Maybe I ordered it wrong. But
Just check with Vito.
Yeah.
well,
the
let's
only-
get
Let me write
him
that.
out of
Let
it.
me.
Let's-
I'll double
No,
check.
no,
with,
no,
I'll
no.
double check with Vito, but I'm pretty sure.
She's gonna write it down and double check with
I'm
Vito.
pretty
She's got a long list.
It's not a good thing when you got to double check with Vito.
It's not, I'll tell you right now, it's not.
No.
It's not.
Okay. All right. Well, Myra, thanks for stopping by.
Thanks
Myra,
for having me.
Thank you.
The babista.
The busty barista.
The busty
Busty
Myra,
barista.
the
Barri-
busty barista.
Can you get it straight for a change,
Barista.
Larry?
The
No.
busty barista.
What are you
Myra.
stuttering for?
He's nervous.
What are you stuttering for?
He's nervous.
I don't know no more.
I need a caffeine fix.
I need a double shot right now.
Yeah.
Hey, take it easy. Are we gonna do squats?
Yes, we are.
Stopping by.
We're gonna go squats.
I got to start sometime.
Time to do some squats,
Get rid of this gut.
Larry.
There you go. You
Yep.
go all the way down.
Uh-oh.
Do it with your back.
Houston, we got a problem.
Keep your back straight.
Oops.
You gotta wear different pants because you will crack something right now.
Yeah, you ain't never lied.